Okay, so today is laundry day because I start my trip tomorrow. It's a 4-day trip, and I normally do laundry before I leave the house and also clean and all that stuff. Okay, so it's a little dark in here because I have my backdrop because I'm gonna be doing some photo shoot today for my online boutique. I don't know if you guys know, but I do have an online store that cater to women, all different sizes, extra small all the way up to triple XL. So definitely go ahead and check that out. I'll put the link in the description box. I also did a video of my hair, so definitely check that out. Just to put it out there, I am not a cook, I am not a chef, I am not none of that stuff. Everything I do is what I see on YouTube and what I see my grandmother do, and I don't even do everything that she actually does. So yes, I am not a chef, guys. So if you see me do something wrong, hey, I'm just going with the motion, okay? Okay, so what I did, I just put stuff in Ziploc bags. Ziploc bags help keep the fruits and the food moist, and it just lasts a little longer when I go on my trips. So this is papaya, and this is what I'm gonna bring on my trip. I have 2 bags, and this is also stuff that you can bring also on your flights with you. You can bring fruits, like I have papaya. I have grapes, and the grapes you can put in Ziploc bags, and also I have berries. You can also bring all these stuff on your flights with you. So even though I'm doing these vlogs, I'm still giving you guys tips on what you can bring on the plane. You can bring it through security. It's just that maybe with food, you may have more intense checks, but that's normal. You can also prepare your own food, guys, and bring it through security. Like this is salmon and some okra and some stuff, and bell peppers and stuff. So you can even bring this through security. Just make sure that it's already warmed, you know, whatever, but you can bring your own food through security. Also, my other fruit, I have watermelon. I'm gonna cut this up and put it in my Ziploc bag. So this stuff you can bring through security. You don't have to buy these fruits in the airport, which costs a lot of money. Salad. So this salad I bought at the grocery store, and it's everything that I open I just put in a Ziploc bag because it lasts a little longer. And I bought it for like $4 or $5. You can even bring this through security with you. It's just that the dressing, you would have to put the ounces of dressing in probably like a little container, because you know you can't bring a certain amount of liquid through security. So I would definitely maybe separate the dressing into different small containers that you can pass through security. You can boil your eggs like this. Don't open it, just boil it. When you get in a plane, if it's too cold and you're the type of person that eat warm eggs, just ask for a cup of hot water and dip your boiled eggs in the cup of hot water. Wait like 15 minutes to take it out, take the hard shell off, and it actually be very warm. So that's another trick, guys, that you can use. Like I have my bread, and you can bring lettuce, tomatoes, and whatever meat you want. Just put those stuff in Ziploc bags. You go on the plane, you make a little sandwich, and you are good to go without you spending all that money at the airport, because airport food costs a lot of money, and especially when it comes to college kids and people that have a large family, it's very hard to feed your kids when you're out. And most of the times they always want to eat a lot of food when you're out. I don't know why, but I eat a lot when I'm out than when I'm at home, which is crazy. So that's also tips that you can use. These videos are going to be educational videos too, and also everyday stuff that I do, but definitely watch these videos, guys, because you can learn a lot from things that you can bring on the plane with you through security. And you also can save a lot of money, man, because it's all about saving money. Like right now I'm starting my business at my crash pad, so you already know. If you guys hear that in the background, it's because I'm doing laundry at the same time. So yeah. Oh, also guys, check out my video of my makeup. I'm not a makeup pro, but this is just a simple everyday makeup. I know many of you guys are out there that don't are not professionals, but just want to hide your blemishes and acne and still want to look good. So definitely check my makeup routine, and this is my everyday makeup routine. Only thing I change is my lipstick and my lip liner, and that's it. So definitely check that out. Okay, so I'm gonna make me a shake with my weight gainer. I showed this in my previous video, but it has 50 grams of protein, 700 calories, and carbs 116. I don't eat a lot. I eat a lot, but I don't eat enough for me to gain weight, so that's why I'm taking the weight gainer. And I'm gonna mix it with this thing right here. I bought this from, I think it was from Target, and I paid like 15 bucks for it, so it wasn't that expensive. I'm gonna add some of this. Then I'm gonna add my probably add like 2 scoops of it. 1, 2. So 2 scoops. I haven't eaten anything today, so. Okay guys, so I finished cook, so this is what I'm gonna bring on my trip. So this is some thin steaks with some vegetables and corn. This is shrimp with some pumpkin. In Jamaica we call them pumpkin, and some corn, some fried chicken, and some salad. Guys, I am not a chef or anything like that, and my chicken look like it's burnt, but I think I put the breading. The breading that I only had was Cajun breading, and I didn't have any other flour or anything like that, so I just improvised and just add that. That's why it look brown, but whatever, it tastes good still. And the same thing here, and also salmon with some pumpkin. So I didn't want to cook too much stuff and have stuff waste, so that's why I have so much pumpkin in this mix. But yeah, that's gonna be my lunch and dinner for my trip. And for in between snacks and breakfast, I'm gonna do my grapes with my papaya and watermelon and some berries. And I also have my weight gainers that I'm going to be taking. So yeah, these are all the items I'm going to be taking on my trip. It looks like a lot, but it's actually not a lot for a 4-day at all, because I mostly eat a lot on the plane. And these doesn't have a lot of calories or anything like that. This is really like water, so it's not a lot of stuff. Then waiting for those to cool, and then I'll put them in a Ziploc bag, and then I also put it in the fridge. A great items that you guys could bring on your like, say you guys have like medications and you need it to be cool and stuff like that, you can get this, guys. This is Equate. I got it at Walmart, and it was like $3-4. I got it in the first aid section, and I also got another pack on Amazon. It was like 3 in a pack for $8. And this company is called Cool Care, and it's very good. It's similar to the one at Walmart, but it's cheaper because you're getting 3 in a pack for $8. Also, if I can find a link, I'll put it in the description box. And this is very good. All you do, you just put ice in there when you're leaving your house. You put your medication in a bag, and then put the ice in this, and you put it in the bag, so keep your medication cool. Like a lot of people who take insulin and stuff like that, or other medication that need to be on a refrigerator. Before you go through security, you just pour the ice out, and when you go back in, when you are in security now, you just go to like one of those vendors, like McDonald's or whatever that's there, and just get some ice, put it in here, and you put it on your medication, and that will keep it cool. If throughout the flight the ice melts, which the melting is not bad at all because it doesn't leak. So if the ice melts, you can also ask the flight attendants to put some ice in this, and your medication will stay cool. Or if you have a food, it will stay cool. So again, this is very good company. I'll put them in the description box. If you can't wait for you to order it online, you can get it at Walmart at the first aid section. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a photo shoot of some items that for my channel. You guys already probably see this 2 outfits already as a picture, but I didn't do the full body shots, and I need to put it on my website. So I'm gonna do that. Those 2, and I'm also gonna do these 2. The only suck thing is that I'm gonna have to steam it. Struggle. So those are the 2 outfits that I'm gonna do a video of today. The clothes that I sell on my website, I also wear my clothes, so that's a way of advertising from me. But this is not the same clothes that I sell on my website, guys, just to clarify it. But I wear a size small. I'll just set up the lighting because the sun went down, so my lighting is not that great, so I have to set it up. Give me demands, so take me away, have your way. You're enough, I'll be your prey, I'll be your prey. I'm a prisoner, I won't break free. Gotta get up, handle me, and discipline me. Nobody else but you, baby. Give me up. Hey everyone, so I am going to end the video here. Definitely check out my website. Also check out the video. I'm going to post all these items in the video coming up, and also we'll post the link of where I get my hair from and type of makeup I'm wearing and all that kind of stuff in the description box below. So today is my day off, back to work tomorrow, 4-day trip, and I'll start doing my vlogging, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. If you did subscribe, thank you so much for subscribing, and welcome to my channel. Click that notification button. If you guys have any questions, any comments, post below, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.